What is up, Lunker League? So you know what's going on. I'm back out here with Pandemic Fishing.
How you doing?
He's in a tournament doing a TourneyX. I only got 1 day, so I didn't participate, but we're gonna be out here trying to get him. I'm gonna be trying to show him where all the good spots is at. I got the budget reels out today, and we're gonna make it happen. So stay tuned. Oh, come on, Kern. You... What's that?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
He started coming towards me, so I thought he was gone.
Okay. For some reason, it feel like you might need the worm out here today. Because I think I felt a couple bumps. Okay, I'm not seeing a whole lot of vegetation over here either. Not a bad stretch. Okay, if that's the case, I'm gonna try the square bill too, just to see. Oh, okay. A little guy. And you on a little guy, no? Okay. Ooh, here we go. You, a little bit of blood, so let's give him back. This water's super clear. Means we're gonna need to find some shade. Get to throw to the shade areas. A really good ambush points for them. Got you one? Ah. Ah. I know I'm gonna stop fooling around though. I know I'm gonna stop fooling around because, yo, every once in a while I have to go through the little reality check and try other baits, you know what I'm saying? I get all sizes. You remember I caught plenty of small ones that other day, but like that little stick right there. That's what I look for. There we go. You know, we gotta learn different tactics and stuff, but it's not really one that I should be taking home. I'm gonna get my tank set up for real. Yeah. See, wasting my worm on these little jokers. Here we go, another little one. That's why I've been out here, you know. I'm just trying to see. That's why I've been going to the jig, like, how? I mean, is there something else I can do, or maybe a different worm, or okay.
Look down, you'll see him.
Put these glasses on. Straight strong. And put these glasses on. All right. Better. And the other thing about this particular rod too is he fishes FLW with it. With MLF, I mean. So Major League Fishing, you're not allowed to use a net. Yeah, so that lets you know that the rod has the strength to boat flip, right? Temperamental, huh? Oh wow. Hey, you know what? I stopped it to check my camera, and then this joker hit, but there we go. Oh wow. All right, here we go. So I should let him plopper it up, and yeah, why not? We'll see. We'll see. You know, I can just throw it in these little areas and see what's up, man. Ooh, is that how you want to sound? Listen to how you sound. Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why? Is it because of the wind? Is that it? Like, okay. Is that why? Did I make it too loose because of the wind? Feels like it. Or maybe I'm stuck. Something heavy. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, what? Oh, haha. Hey, there we go. There we go. My best one of the day too. All right, so let's just see. Set some right here. Go right on this point. Let's just see what we've got. Oh, heck no. What was I thinking? Come on, Kern. Quit playing yourself, bro. Come on, man. Oh, the wind. The wind is getting at me decent. Oh. All right.
That one?
Yeah. Just like they always say, oh, it's barely hooked. You know, one hook. You know, oh, I watch so many, they're like, oh, he's barely hooked. Ah.
Squarey?
Yeah. Oh. I'm just glad my little theory was correct. I should be able to get one right here.
Put him on the trough. See what he's on.
Here we go. 11 1/4. Yeah. There we go. Bam. There you go. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Okay. All right, let's see what's going on. I can feel those rocks, right? This is supposed to run between 3 and 5 feet. Right now we're showing 4.3 feet. So now I'm throwing out just a wee bit more. Oh, shoot. No. Okay. All right. I was wondering if this was even gonna work. But since we were parallel to the bank, oh, I got him in the eye though. Oh. Oh man, dude, I'm so sorry. Dude, I hope that your eye is cool. Very sorry. Let's see. All right. Get you out. All right, and here we go. I was wondering if I was gonna get one on the square bill since I was parallel in the bank. Here we go. It's my second cast in that area, and bad cast, which means there's probably a big old fish over in there. Oh, is that right? All right. Yeah. This one I landed right on him. Like I didn't even get a chance to crank. That was interesting. Got him deep. Goodness. Got him deep, but at least I didn't get him in the eye. Like on the last one. Cool. So little guy. Little guy. So we got little guys in these rocks. Yeah, that was I almost want to switch to the red, even though this one is working. We'll see. We should just keep rolling. Yeah, I don't think I've ever gotten bit on the square bill so much. And probably a little bit closer to the bank gives you more opportunity to to hook them. Wow. Ouch. Oh. All right, you got me. Okay. There you go. Huh. Not wrecking them like I like, but I am getting them. So yeah. Interesting. I'm gonna do shorter casts. Nah, he's coming up. He's coming up. Oh, yeah, he's better.
Yeah, he's better.
All right.
I'm a plumper. Damn it. I told you that damn plumper was gonna work. Let me out here with this damn.
Ow! Hold on. I just got myself.
Huh?
I just got hooked by this thing.
No. You get it out?
Nah, it's,
Huh?
no, it's through.
You got the barb?
Yeah, so I need to for you to help me get it out of me.
No.
Like, get it out of him. If you can get it out of him.
All right, let go of the fish. Let go.
Okay.
I got the fish.
So, yeah, we gotta get it out of him. All right. And then it's through me in here. So basically,
You gotta push it down. You
nah,
gotta push it down and like that.
no, we need to cut this one out.
No, you gotta push it down and then out.
All right, I'm gonna have to cut those open so I can see what I can do, so I can see what I'm doing.
Get some scissors and cut it. Yeah. Before this boat.
All right, so there's my fish, guys. Oh, don't sit on any. Ooh, yeah, we were almost double hooked up in here. Now that one would have been all bad.
I have done this before. This fish is about to die. 14.
Yay!
14 and a quarter.
Yay!
Fish.
14 and a quarter.
Good fish.
All right.
GoPro, start recording. All right, my man just hooked up on this one.
And hooked herself. I just wish I could see it so I could do it.
Well, you gotta cut the. Here, let me do it. Up your hand. I'm gonna cut this.
Oh my gosh.
You don't really have a choice, dude.
Oh no.
Alright.
See how I feel like I should just push the barb through? That's what I feel like. See where I'm at and clip it.
You talking about clipping it up here?
Yeah, I should push the barb through so it's all the way through like this. Because that doesn't hurt as much. And
okay, and then what? Then you want to
I'll clip the outside of it. So here we are, guys.
It's not those. It's the red.
I think they're in that well. Not well, the side thingy.
Huh?
On the side? Yeah. So yeah, to see how the barb is right there.
Okay. I'm gonna cut this.
Cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
Put your hand.
Cool, and I think that should help it come right off. Yeah, that makes it way easier than trying to back the barb all the way through. I totally appreciate that. And we're filming. Look at that, boys.
All for a fish. No, hey, now change out your hook, bro.
Man, thanks to Makoto for the thumb.
Surgeon.
Yeah, see, barely any holes right there. But if I'd have tried to back that thing through, that'd have been no joke. So yeah, next clip.
All right. Well, we're gonna find out.
Yeah. All right. It should get something good, some good results. I have a feeling.
Oh, he sounded. He took everything, didn't he?
Yeah. Huh.
What's up with that?
That happens. That one felt a little stronger too. Oh yeah, I saw them jump. Oh, there they go, right there, jumping right out the water. Oh, Jack over there. Oh, oh, did you see that?
Oh, I missed him.
Yeah. Oh.
That was a big.
Oh, you got him. Nice. Oh, they're going at it again. There we go. Oh, are you serious? Are you serious? This is what I get? This? Dog. Oh yeah. Here y'all go. There y'all go. Nice little stripey. Oh man. Is mine not working? Oh. I'm like, is mine not working? It just don't even sound like it.
We just spit out a shad too. It's working. There it is.
There we go.
There you go.
Ah.
Nice and good.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. That's better. That's what I'm talking about. Hi, everybody. What size are you? How tall do they have to be?
18.
18? Nah, you're not 18. But there you go, y'all. Best striper this year. Oh yeah, I'm about to be. There we go. Where you at? Oh yeah.
Over there now.
Oh, just got one. I just got a little one though. Yeah.